All right, so welcome to week 14 of our trip from Maryland to California. We've been in Carlsbad now for a couple of weeks, so we're still enjoying that. We're getting a lot of work done on picking out furniture, and we'll show you some of that. Got into our new place that's being built, and we were able to take a pretty good look at how that's coming along and some of the dimensions of what we need to get. Robin, did you feel pretty good? You got a designer now to help us?
Yeah, I feel a lot better now.
Yeah, so we have a designer now that's helping us out because we're pretty much clueless when it comes to a lot of this stuff. And well, we're getting there. We're getting to get our place done. We think now we're hearing it's going to be closer to the beginning of December instead of the end of November. So we'll be living in our temporary space probably a little bit longer than we thought. But it's all good. So stay tuned. All right, so we're walking through our house to check it out, and looks like they painted it already. And so this is the downstairs. This is where we are so far downstairs. This is the guest room downstairs. Nice little view there. All right, this is the first time we're going to be walking upstairs. So here we go.
Oh yeah, okay.
And,
okay.
this is, so you walk upstairs, you're walking to the kitchen. TV's gonna go there. The couch would go in that corner.
You'll want something.
And then that's the kitchen.
Divert the glare, or get a TV that allows you to not have glare.
All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs to the bedroom and check out that. All right, so we're going up the stairs now. And we're going to see what this looks like. That's where the laundry room is going to go. And I guess this is the master. This is a guest room. This is one of the guest rooms.
You might be able to get away with a.
So this was one of the guest rooms, and this is the bathroom for the guest room. So every guest room, we have 2 guest rooms, so we have 3 bedrooms altogether, and every bedroom has its own bathroom, full bath, which is kind of nice.
It'll be still nice.
So this is the master. This is the master bedroom. We have some light. Nice view out there. And this is the bathroom for the master.
Space for the.
This would be, I guess, the kitchen cabinet would be there. I mean, the sinks would be there for the bathroom. And then we have the shower, which is going in, which is a nice sized shower.
It's going to be hard.
The bathroom. And this is a walk-in closet that
If you're used
we got
to
going on.
huge house.
So the cool part about our house is we have this rooftop deck. So I'm going to go up there and see what it looks like. It's not done either, but I just want to see, get an idea or a feel for what it looks like. So this is what our deck will look like. We get the view of the ocean over there, which is nice. And so I just want to show you a little bit about that. That's going to be, this is where we're going to be spending a lot of our time. And just looking out over there. All right, so we finally are breaking out the bikes for the first time in California. I know Robin's been waiting for a long time to get on the bike. We've just been really busy with other stuff because, you know, we're picking out a lot of furniture for the house. And we also went, as you just saw, we just went in and took a look and see how they were doing in building it out. So what do you think, Robin? You excited?
Yeah, it'll be a short spin, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it'll be short because it's a little bit later because we were working on getting the stuff for the house, and then also the Nats play at 5 o'clock, and this is game 6, I believe, and we're really gonna be pulling for them because we need them to win this one if they want to take it to the final game. So anyway, we'll see you after the bike ride. All right, so we finished our bike ride. It was a short one, but it was still a good one, and it was on the Pacific Coast Highway, which is really pretty because you've got the ocean over there. And I would have shown you some of that footage, but I was on the bike riding. I think I might look into getting a device that holds the phone to the bike, and so if anyone knows a good thing that's out there, let me know, and I'll definitely get it, because then I can actually film a little bit while we're riding. Anyway, have a good one. There's a little bit of Carlsbad. This is around 5 o'clock at night, or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and a lot of people are still out here, and it's a beautiful scene. We're not sure what all these girls are doing, but they're doing something, and there's a lot of crazy things that go on the beach in Carlsbad, and one is these people are actually getting married, so congratulations to them. But it's they got a beautiful sunset coming up, and not a bad place to get married if you think about it. Alright, so we are taking our dog Snickers to San Alejo Dog Park. Is this an Oceanside, or would you say?
It's in San Marcos. It's like a suburb.
A suburb of of Oceanside?
No, just a suburb of the area.
Okay. Anyway, it's called San Marcos, and we're going to take our dog for a little walk, and we'll see if she enjoys it. Right now, nobody's at the park except for our dog. There's someone who just brought 2 dogs and left, so I guess ours is just going to hang out for a little while, and we're just going to wait to see if anyone shows up. But this is the dog park. It's in a nice area, and hopefully another dog will come by. This one's for dogs that are under 35 pounds or 35 pounds and under, and then the other one on the other side of that fence is for dogs that are bigger than that. All right, Snicks, I'm going to throw the ball and you go get it. Go get it. Good job, Snickers. But you didn't bring back the ball. You forgot to bring back the ball. You left it. Oh well, I guess she doesn't really know how to play this game. So here we are now. We're on a run, but we're taking a little bit of a break from it to look at the sunset. So it's another beautiful sunset in Carlsbad. And one of the cool things is the moon. I don't know if you can see it, but sometimes it flickers at light because the sun is just starting to go down, and it's hitting the moon a little bit differently, so sometimes it looks brighter than other times, so it's kind of cool. But going back to the sunset, you really can't beat that, and we get this every day, so we're feeling pretty happy right now that we get to see this all the time. So now we're in Oceanside. We've been in Carlsbad the whole time, but I'm going to show you a little bit of Oceanside and what it looks like. So take a look. So there's a pier up there. We're going to check that out later on. Another beautiful sunset, but this is Oceanside instead of Carlsbad. And we're going to head up this way and just take a quick look. But another beautiful night, and I think we're going to enjoy it here. So as you can see, there's a bike ride going on today. So I'm going to go by and pick up Robin. She's in this bike ride somewhere. It's you can do 100 miles, 50 miles, or plus Robin's doing the 50-mile one. walking down Oceanside and I'm waiting for Robin to get back from her bike ride. So I'm going to meet up with the finish up here and we'll see how everyone's doing. We're at the finish line and we're just waiting for Robin to come in. So we'll see when she gets here. And I'm going to show you a little around a little bit while I'm waiting for that.
Where are you going, everybody? Welcome back to your finish line. Finishing the second time today.
So these are the people who obviously finished.
Got 50 milers coming down the line.
Looks like they're gonna have a band later, so I'll show you some of that when they come out. Robin, she's finishing up. Very, very good. Good job.
Great going. You officially earned a beer today.
And I'll be meeting her inside there in a minute. All right, so you just finished the Pacific Coast ride. You did what, 50 miles?
Yeah, it's called Bike the Coast.
Oh, Bike the Coast. So how was it?
It was good. It was mostly on the coast. They took you inland a little bit around Del Mar, which was kind of interesting because you saw some of the horse stuff. You know, Del Mar's all about horses and horse racing and horse training. So you saw a little bit of that, but mostly coast, out and back, and it was nice.
So, anyway, so now we're going to hang out a little bit with all the finishers and see what's going on. All right, we're going to check out this party and see what's going on. But you can see it's starting to get going. And we're going to check out the band is playing now too, so I'll show you a little bit of that.
I did the same thing as last.
Yeah, Mike did it. Sorry. We're enjoying our coconut water and we're going to watch the band for a little while. But cheers. Alright, so I'm just cruising around right now on the Pacific Coast Highway, and I'll have to say that I think that I am not going to get tired of California. This is fantastic. So I just want to say, week 14 is coming to an end, and you'll have to see what happens in week 15, but I'm just having a fantastic time, just cruising the streets and enjoying this. I mean, it's in November right now, and it's about 75 degrees and sunny, and that's what it's like most of the time around this place. And we're lucky that we're in a part of California that's not in the fire zone. So you can look around, you can see the skies are completely blue, and it's beautiful. You can see the ocean, and we have no problem with fire. So anyway, I just wanted to say You know, for week 14 on the road and being in California, we still have probably another month or so before we move into our permanent residence, and we can't wait for that to happen. But until then, we're just going to keep exploring and checking out this place and having a great time. So until next week, we'll see you. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.